Welcome back, folks, to another day here in Texas. We're going to get started working on the truck here. The couple things we're going to do today is we're going to cut these inner fender wells out. So right now the engine's pushing on the whole front clip and pushing it over to one side. So I want to cut them out and get some room in there so we can set the cab down and it's squared up on the frame for when we get ready to start doing the body mounts, or the cab mounts, I'm sorry. And the other thing we're going to be working on today is the transmission cross member. Already got the pieces cut out. All I got to do is modify the old cross member and then weld the new pieces on, and then we'll drill those and get it bolted on, and then we can start working on it going up to the transmission and supporting the transmission. So that's the couple things we're going to do today, try to knock out today. And then other than that, we'll see what happens, how far we can get. Alright guys, so we cut these inner fenders out just like this here, and it was hitting this power steering pump, so it's clear now. Went ahead and did the other side because it wasn't hitting, but this cab is sitting up higher than on the frame, and I want that inner fender to go all the way down to the frame down here, I don't know, be like ½ inch off the frame or something like that, but it was a good 4 inches off of it. So I'm going to go ahead and just extend it, put a piece going down, and then tie it into the piece I just cut off, so it goes all the way down to the frame, so you're not having water and road grime get up in here into the engine or the filter. So I went ahead and did that, and that's cleared up now. It's not hitting and pushing this whole front clip over on the power steering pump. Next thing we're going to be doing is working on this deal here. So I'm going to cut this tab off here and somehow tie in these pieces, integrate them somehow. I'm going to figure out, I'll probably cut into here and put these like right into that place there. We'll see here what we're going to do. But yeah, that's the transmission mount cross member. So let's get started on that. Alright guys, so we got the transmission mount here, the upright piece already welded on. This is a flat piece right there, and that's what's going to hold the rubber piece on there. We're going to be doing it the same way we did the engine mounts. We're just going to smash a rubber, flat piece of rubber between it and call it a day. We need to mark our hole out. I'm just going to do one single hole on this. Alright guys, so we got the cross member back in. Went ahead and took it out, just an update for you guys. Took it out, welded that upright piece up because it was kind of hard to get to. Welded it up, and then I decided to go ahead and weld the exhaust up because to get the exhaust out, I gotta take the cross member out again if I didn't. So, went ahead and took the exhaust out, welded it up, and then put everything back together. And then, so now the next step is to take the piece out on the transmission, and I gotta drill the hole for it for the bolt to go through. And then, excuse me here, you can't see it. That piece of angle right there, I gotta take out. Drill a hole for it. We'll slide some rubber in between it, and I don't know if I got a short enough bolt for it, but if not, we'll have to just wait and get a bolt.